For corn?
I don't know.
Well, that's frozen in place.
Yeah.
Can't
I mean,
turn it.
this thing turns. I just don't know what it turns. If there's a blade in there or a squeezer, it might just be a...
It's a trivia question.
I'll bet.
You can't make out none of the writings on it?
I'll bet it's like a squeezer, like for cane.
Wouldn't be an apple for apple cider?
It's something to mash or squeeze out something. But because it's like this, I'm thinking it's like stalks, like cane.
Okay.
You know, you squeeze and get the cane syrup.
Yeah.
That stuff.
Huh.
I don't know. I can't make out the writing on it.
Well, invite everybody, anybody who knows this piece, inform us and share with other viewers.